Alright, today guys, I'm out like I talked about yesterday. You're going to be measuring things with non-standard units. Remember, a cubit is the distance from your elbow to your fingertip. A span is with your hand spread out from your pinky to your thumb, and then a hand is with your hand closed side to side. These are the things you're going to be measuring. And then we got Evan here today. Hey Evan. He's going to be showing you how to do those real quick. Come on out here, Evan. First thing you do, or the order doesn't matter. So you're going to do the length of this blue string in spans. So a span, Evan's going to spread his fingers out real wide. So that'd be one, go pinky there. Yep, there'd be one span. Oh, yep, go ahead, just mark it. 2 spans, 3 spans. You got the idea, okay? So that was one of them. Another item that you're going to be measuring is the height of a lab table in hands. So you're gonna go, just pick a side of the table. I'd probably go somewhere where it's semi, like with the cabinets, yeah. So he's gonna use his hands. Oh, you're gonna turn him sideways, bud. There you go. Put your hand on the ground. So there'd be 1 hand, 2 hands, mark it. 3, 4, yep, you got the idea there, good. The width of the door in spans. We've got 2 doors in this class, actually 3 doors in this classroom. You can pick this one, you can pick that one, or next to it, right over there on the left, there's another door that you can measure, and you're gonna measure the width of the door in spans. So just go to the door, actual door, yep, no, spans. Open your hand up big, there you go. So there's 1, 2, 3, you got it. And panning, panning, panning. The length of the tape on the ground in the hallway in cubits. So we're gonna walk out this way. That's the door I was talking about, right there. And he's gonna measure in cubits, which are elbow to fingertip. So get on the ground, mark it, there's 1, there's 2 cubits, 3 cubits, and so on and so forth. And then the last one, it says the length of the big black lab table in hands. So this is the big black lab table. It's gonna be cleared off. But you're gonna start on one end and you're gonna measure in hands, so side to side. Close your hands up, there's 1, 2, 3, and do your thing, okay? Make sure that on your paper down here, you're gonna create a data table where you include what you're measuring. So I'd probably list those on the side, and then you're gonna include like your measurements, your group members' measurements, and then I'm also gonna have you include my measurements so you can see how those things, if they're different, if they're the same. And then the third part up top here, you're gonna measure each of those objects again, but you're gonna use them, measure them using metric units. So you're gonna be using centimeters or meters, but again, you need to set your data table up so the objects that you're measuring, and then include your guys' measurements. And when you're all done, look at your data, make a claim about what would happen if scientists use non-standard units to measure, and then include evidence here. And then your reflection would be like something that this lab made you think about as an extension of this activity. So Mrs. Meehan is your sub today. She's a rock star. She used to sub for us a bunch, and then she stopped, and then she's back in the game. So do well for her, listen to her, and enjoy yourselves, but make sure you understand why we need standard units, why we need the metric system, why we need the English or customary system, because it's super important when you're talking about measurement. So have a great weekend. We'll talk to you later. Bye. Bye, Evan. Bye, Evan.